what if you get sick on a Saturday night and we need to access that document? You're not going to find the president of the bank on a Saturday night to open the safe deposit box in the middle of the night. We want those originals with you and readily accessible for your family. So as part of this process, once everything has been signed, talk to your attorney about who should receive copies of the documents. Are there digital copies that are going to be available, and where the originals go? So when it comes to copies, it's up to you as far as who's going to have copies of the documents. If you work with a financial advisor, they will often want to see copies of documents like a power of attorney and possibly your will or trust. We also, these days, prefer to have digital copies available, at least if you're working with my office. We have a client portal where you'll have access to PDF versions of your documents, because again, things can happen at strange hours, and sometimes people don't even need to see the original. They would just like to see a copy. So find out from your attorney if you're going to have access to the digital copies. And then finally, where are the originals going to be stored? This is a very important decision for you to make. As I said, I wouldn't put them in a safe deposit box in case something happens after hours and we need to access them, but we do want to make sure we have a safe place. I always recommend to my clients we get a fireproof box at home, one that's big enough to hold documents. And in addition to your estate plan documents, things like passports and other birth certificates, important documents, marriage certificates, they can all go in that box. Hopefully it's fireproof in case something happens at the house. Those originals would be protected. Number 5, the final step, bring a list of questions.